What if the weakness you blame on age is not simply getting older, but a warning that your muscles are slowly disappearing? After 60, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, rising from a chair, or keeping your balance can become harder. Many people accept these changes as unavoidable, but muscle loss is not a life sentence. Your body can still repair, adapt, and become stronger at 60, 70, or even 80, if you give it the right signals. This gradual decline is called sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, strength, and physical function. It may begin quietly in your 40s or 50s and accelerate later, especially when movement decreases, protein intake is too low, hydration is poor, or muscles are no longer challenged. Lower testosterone and growth hormone can also contribute. The result is not only weaker arms and legs, muscle loss increases the risk of falls, fragile bones, poor posture, unstable blood sugar, slower recovery, reduced stamina, and loss of independence. Your muscles are living tissue. They listen to what you do every day. Long periods of sitting tell the body, I no longer need this muscle. Resistance exercise sends the opposite message. Keep it. Make it stronger. Walking, climbing stairs, lifting light weights, using resistance bands, and performing bodyweight exercises all create that powerful signal. You do not need to spend hours in a gym. 10 to 20 minutes of consistent movement can improve strength, balance, and resilience. Exercise, however, is only the signal. Nutrition supplies the building material. When muscles are challenged, tiny tears form in their fibers. During recovery, the body uses protein and amino acids to repair them. Calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin D, vitamin B12, healthy fats, water, and sleep also support muscle contraction, nerve communication, bone strength, hormone function, and tissue repair. Without these materials, even an active person may struggle to rebuild muscle. 3 familiar foods can support this strategy: cottage cheese, Parmesan, and Swiss cheese. They are not miracle cures, and they cannot replace exercise or medical care, but each one offers different nutritional advantages. Cottage cheese is rich in high-quality protein, especially casein. Unlike rapidly digested protein, casein is absorbed slowly, releasing amino acids for several hours. That makes cottage cheese especially useful as an evening snack when the body is preparing for overnight repair. A small bowl before bed can provide your muscles with a steady supply of amino acids while you sleep. Cottage cheese also contains leucine, an amino acid involved in muscle protein synthesis, plus calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium for muscle function, energy production, and bone structure. Cottage cheese is extremely versatile. Combine it with berries, nuts, cinnamon, or a bit of honey for a sweet option. For a savory meal, add cucumber, tomato, herbs, or olive oil. Low-fat versions may suit people limiting calories, while regular versions provide more natural fat and greater satisfaction. Because cottage cheese is soft and easy to eat, it may be useful for older adults with reduced appetite or difficulty chewing. Parmesan is one of the most concentrated cheeses. A small serving provides dense protein, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B12, and other valuable nutrients. Because Parmesan is aged, much of its lactose is broken down, so some people with lactose sensitivity may tolerate it better than fresh cheeses. Its amino acids support muscle maintenance while calcium and phosphorus help preserve bone structure. Muscles and bones function as a connected system. Weak muscles place more pressure on bones, and fragile bones reduce stability and confidence during movement. A tablespoon or 2 of Parmesan over eggs, soup, vegetables, salad, or whole grain pasta can add valuable nutrition and strong flavor without a large portion. Its intense taste may help older adults whose appetite or sense of taste has declined. However, Parmesan can contain significant sodium. Moderation is important, especially for anyone managing high blood pressure, kidney disease, heart failure, or fluid retention. Swiss cheese provides complete protein, calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 supports red blood cell production and helps maintain myelin, the protective covering around nerves. Healthy nerve signaling lets the brain communicate effectively with muscles, supporting coordination, strength, movement, and balance. Low B12 may be associated with fatigue, weakness, tingling, or balance difficulties, but these symptoms have many causes and should be evaluated by a healthcare professional. Swiss cheese is often lower in sodium than many other cheeses, though labels vary. Its fermentation may produce beneficial compounds. 1 or 2 moderate slices can be added to eggs, whole grain toast, vegetables, or another balanced meal. Together, these 3 cheeses can create a practical nutritional rhythm. Cottage cheese can provide slow-digesting protein in the morning or before bed. Parmesan can offer a concentrated protein and mineral boost at lunchtime. Swiss cheese can add protein and vitamin B12 later in the day, supporting both muscles and nerve function. The goal is not huge portions of cheese. Use small, strategic portions as part of a varied diet that includes eggs, fish, beans, legumes, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and other quality proteins. Consistency matters more than one perfect meal. Because older adults often have a weaker muscle-building response to protein, spreading protein across the day may be more useful than putting most of it into one large dinner. Movement multiplies the value of nutrition. Pair protein-rich meals with resistance exercise, daily walking, stretching, and balance training. Start at a safe level. A chair squat, wall push-up, resistance band row, or short stair climbing session can be enough. Increase difficulty gradually. Anyone with pain, dizziness, heart problems, severe weakness, or a history of falls should seek professional guidance before starting a new program. Hydration matters. Muscle tissue contains a lot of water, and dehydration reduces performance, flexibility, concentration, and recovery. Drink water regularly unless a healthcare professional restricts fluids. Sleep is essential. During deep sleep, the body performs much of its repair work and releases hormones involved in muscle recovery. Exercising without adequate rest leaves rebuilding incomplete. Remember the real goal. The objective is not big, bulky muscles. It is functional strength. The strength needed to stand, walk, lift, reach, bend, balance, and remain independent. Strong muscles protect joints, support posture, improve metabolic health, help regulate blood sugar, and provide a reserve for recovery from illness or injury. Do not expect one bowl of cottage cheese, one sprinkle of Parmesan, or one slice of Swiss cheese to transform your body overnight. Sarcopenia develops gradually, and rebuilding strength takes time. The real power lies in accumulation. One protein-rich meal, one short walk, one resistance session, one glass of water, and one night of quality sleep, repeated consistently. Your age does not decide everything your body can become. Your daily signals matter. Feed your muscles, challenge them, hydrate them, give them time to recover. Start with one simple action today, repeat it tomorrow, and allow your strength to return, one intelligent choice at a time.